I want to tell them stuff that I find out, right? And I've really struggled to find anything on the internet that about what is going on in the brain of a singer. In other
Yeah.
words, what is going on when a person picks up a piece of sheet music to read for a singer? I can find piano players, I can find
Yeah.
cellists,
Yeah.
I can find instrumentalists. I can't find a single study on singers. Am I just not
No.
looking in the right place, or is that a gap?
Yeah, it doesn't exist. Well, not that it doesn't exist. Sorry, it does exist. But remembering that we talked about neuroscientists are studying musically trained people to understand how the brain learns and grows. That's their
Yeah,
whole point.
right.
What they found very early on is that the impact cognitively on through music learning was much, much higher for instrumentalists. And so that's what they concentrated on. Prior to that period of time, we're talking 1995 when it really started, we have a whole bunch, and we still have a huge amount of research on singing, but we have it really based on the well-being outcomes, the immune health outcomes, and some social connection outcomes. So it's a failing within the research that it's just not telling the group who want to research it anything new. So they're like, why would we do it if we're not going to find anything out that's new about it?
Right.
So that's the reason why. It's because of the nature of how the field has developed, where they get their funding from, honestly, and the biggest sort of bang for their buck when it comes to research findings.